Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. My name is Bishnumm. I'm a flight attendant for a private airline and I record a little bit of my life and post this on YouTube. So if you're interested in seeing me follow Addison Rae's first video on YouTube, which is makeup and hair, it says, continue watching. I kind of already did my hair because I obviously don't have long hair like Addison, and of course I just wanted to follow the makeup, not really a hair as well, so that's why I'm just gonna be doing the makeup part. So if you are interested, continue watching. I'll be playing it on my shit. Okay, so I'll be playing it on my laptop. I will also put a little bit of a right there. So yeah, let's follow.
Hey guys, it's Addison Easterling, and welcome to my
Easterling. So it's not Addison Rae, it's Easterling. I guess that's her real name. What is this Easterling?
first YouTube video. So today I will be doing my hair and makeup. So I've been getting.
So just so you guys know, I don't know what exact products you will be using, so I'll just be using whatever I have. Try to go along with what she kind of looks like. So there was
a lot of questions about my hair and like what is it called, what do I ask the salon for, and I will be answering all those questions as I do my hair. But first I'm going to start off by doing my makeup. So I have a bare face right now, and the first thing I'm going to do is take my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, and I'm going to moisturize my face.
Almost right.
The moisturizer, I'm going to go right along into my foundation. So
Okay, so I guess it doesn't do primer, but I don't have primer either. So I'll just be using this L'Oreal Mercier foundation. It is it's not full coverage, so like she said, it's not full coverage foundation, and she shakes the foundation, so I'm gonna be shaking the foundation as well. So let's go.
Of the product, and I'm going to get my beauty blender and spray it with the Urban Decay All Nighters.
Okay, so I don't have that setting spray with me, so I guess I'll just be using the sponge without the spray.
Yeah, let me do that.
Okay.
Then next I'm going to use my Becca foundation, which is the medium coverage, and I'm going to put it on.
Okay, so she's just putting it on her face, just like this. So.
Just dabbed in areas. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then I'm going to blend. Just dabbed in areas. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then I'm going to blend.
So we're just going to blend. She starts off with down here, so I'll start off down here as well. And then goes all the way up.
So once that's completely blended out, I'm going to move right along to bronzer. I use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit.
Bronzer by Benefits, but I don't have the Hoola bronzer. I have the Ofra bronzer, so I'm going to be using the Ofra bronzer. I didn't bring my Hoola bronzer with me, girl. Hi, so just a quick reminder, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, so let me bronze. So she does her cheeks right there, her nose, just with one brush. And I'm just using a fluffy brush. She doesn't do it on her forehead. Let me see.
And from there, I'm going to blend.
Okay. I was so confused. I thought she didn't use it on her forehead, but she does. So I had to rewind it and then watch that part, but there we go. Oh my god, it doesn't look like I'm bronzing it very well. Let me bronze a little more. So she's fast forwarding it, so that's why I'm like having a hard time figuring out how much products he's using. But I think that, I mean, it looks like she bronzed very well. So and I guess there is no concealer or baking, so I guess I won't be baking today.
Here I'm going to go right along into blush. Normally use a cream blush by Glossier in Storm, and I'm just going to put some on my finger and blend it out.
Okay, so I don't have a cream blush, but I do have this Anastasia blush. So I'll just be using this, and what she does is she just puts it here, here, and then there. She uses her hand, but it's a cream, so that's why she's using a hand. So I'm using it, and it looks very bronzy, kind of. It looks like reddish, but I think it's because of it's cream. So I'll use this one only. I normally use these two together, but I'm just gonna use this. And this, I'm gonna tap it out. Just put it right in there. And she does it in her nose as well, so I don't normally put a blush on my nose like that. Well, even if I do it underneath, but she does it in like her bridge of the nose. I mean, like right there. So okay, so I guess it just goes along this way, and then right there. Oh my god, this does not look, oh my god, I look so weird. Okay, let me, sorry, but I gotta make sure.
So moving right along, I'm going to go to my eyebrows, and I'm going to take the Glossier Boy Brow in dark brown, I believe, and I'm just going to open it up and brush my eyebrows as normal.
Okay, so since she's not drawing anything on the eyebrows, she's just using a spoolie kind of thing with like a dark brown eyebrow gel and just blending, like just brushing it out. Since I don't have the gel, I have a spoolie and a mascara. I'm just gonna put a little bit of a mascara and then kinda.
I would like actually draw caterpillars on myself because I will brush them up so much.
Okay. So try to make it look like a caterpillar.
I just can't help it though. I literally love eyebrow gel. So after I did that.
Oh, is that it? I mean, I like it, but my eyebrows are not as thick as hers. But still,
eyebrow gel. So after I do that, I'm going to move on to lips. I am very out of order with my makeup, guys.
So she's moving on to the lips.
I literally just do whatever comes to mind first on my face. So yeah, this is actually how I do my makeup every single time I do it. Okay, so moving right along to lips. First, I will be using the Milani lip liner in Spice.
Oh my god, I had this lip liner at home. I seriously have this lip liner at home because I love the color of this lip liner. But it looks similar to this. Yeah, so I'll be using this lip liner. It's by Morphe. It's called tell.
A lot of people ask me if I get my lips done, and the answer is no, but I do overline my lips like no other. I'm going to move on to the lipstick color. This is Stoned Rose by Charlotte Tilbury, and I just got this actually like a couple weeks ago.
Okay, I love the lip liner and the lipstick that she's using because these are like my go-to colors. So I don't obviously have the exact lipstick that she has, but I do have something similar. Okay, so I don't have the exact same lipstick that she has, but then I do have this MAC lipstick. It's called oh my god, Rick Dust. It's like the level is going away. So I use this lipstick. I think this is a little bit darker than hers,
and I love it. There you go. There's my lips. Highlighter, because I like to jump to random parts of my face, like I said. So I will be using the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. So I take this highlighting brush by Estee Lauder, I think, and fan brush, and I dab it in here and just go crazy.
Okay, let's go crazy. Okay, so she's doing it in her nose with the fan brush. That's not normally what I do, but I guess we'll just go with the flow.
To go for eyeshadow, Naked Heat Palette by Urban Decay.
Okay, so it doesn't do it here, but alright, we'll live for that. And like,
Okay,
I don't see any highlighter in the base of the nose, so I guess I'm not doing that as well.
Naked Heat Palette by...
Okay, I don't have Naked Heat palette, but I do have a bronzer. The Naked Heat palette is very neutral color, so I'll be using, I guess, a lot of neutral colors. She doesn't do nose contouring. Oh, she just bronzes the nose, that's it. Okay, I can live with that for today.
Urban Decay, and I'm literally just going to grab the brush I use for everything, which is this It Cosmetics Chic Crease Brush. Sauced.
So any blending brush, work it out, girl.
And Heat Devil, I think that's the name. And I'm going to blend this out on...
Okay, the color that she picked, she didn't show it out like that, but in her eye it looks more like this color right here. So, and then she just dust it off
onto my lid.
So just go inside the lid. Did she do an inner corner highlight?
Heat Devil, and I'm going to go my lower lash line.
Okay, it looks like the same exact color, but maybe.
Okay, so after I finish that, it is like a light orangey color, which also matches my lips. Then I will go in with
the mascara. Wow, we're moving so fast. I feel like we're moving so fast.
mascara. I will use my Tweezer Man eyelash curler, and
I don't normally use eyelash curler, and I don't have it with me, so I'm not gonna be using an eyelash curler.
That's it. Then I will go straight in with my mascara and spray my face. Here is my makeup, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my makeup, and if you...
And yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and just subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you are interested in seeing my vlogs and stuff like that, I do a lot of traveling vlogs because I am a flight attendant, so do check that out. And also I do a little bit of makeup here and there, so do check that out as well. And if you guys want to see me follow any other YouTubers or famous persons makeup tutorials from YouTube, please do let me know. I think I'll be following up with James Charles' first makeup tutorials, Nikki tutorials of course, Nikki the Dragon, and a couple of the new. Are interested in seeing those things in my channel, all those following videos on my channel, please do give it a subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate you so much. You guys have a wonderful time. Lots of love. Bye!